Oh, you mean I'm on? We're live? Oh, okay. Today's topic, what are variables? At the very basic level, what is a variable? How do we show it? How do we find out what it is? And what does it represent? Okay. And I think the best way to start this discussion is how you started math a very long time ago. How you first learned of it. Your first equation ever. What plus 1 equals 2? Okay, here I put a box with a question mark. We'll call it a question mark box. Plus 1 equals 2. Okay, well, we all know that in fact 1 plus 1 equals 2. So this question mark box represented the number 1. Okay, easy enough. Let's look at this one. 3 minus question mark box equals 1. Okay, well, 3 minus what equals 1? Well, 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now, wait a second. This question mark box represented 1, and this question mark box represented 2. So that question mark box could represent different numbers as different for every different equation. Okay, so instead of writing question mark boxes in all the places where we don't know the number we're looking for, we use variables. And variables are basically just numbers that are represented by letters. So instead of using 3 minus question mark box equals 1, we're going to pick any letter in the English alphabet. You can pick any of them. They all work. The most common you'll see are x's and y's. So I'm going to say 3 minus x equals 1. They're not always going to be x's and y's. You're going to get some a, b, c, d, z. It could be any number, or any letter, sorry. And they all work. It doesn't matter which one. But the most common you're going to see are x's and y's, because that's just kind of how math happens. Okay, so here we have 3 minus x equals 1. And we all know that 3 minus 2 equals 1. So in this case, our x equals 2. And there are lots of other ways we're going to show and we're going to solve for x, and we're going to find out what this missing number is. Because all variables are, at the very basic level, is a letter that is representing some unknown number. That's all it is. And sometimes they represent more than one number. They could represent lots of numbers. But it's just representing numbers that we don't know what they are. And we're going to try to find out. So through the next few videos and the next couple weeks in class, we'll find out more ways to use variables. But that's what they are. Thanks.